What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Itachi Uchiha. Okay, so today we are going to draw Itachi from the anime Naruto. As you can see on the screen, these are the materials we need for this tutorial. And of course, before we get started, just draw a perfect square. Each side is 6 centimeters, but you can draw it in any size you want. Next, we'll pull a line right there. It's about 1/3 of the top rectangle. That guideline will help us draw the eyes later on. And now we'll continue by drawing the shape of Itachi's face. Once we are done with that, we are going to draw his cloak. We'll do that by using some curves. Next, we are going to indicate his headband just by drawing another curve right on top of the square. And then we'll use these two guidelines to help us draw the eyes and maintain the symmetry. Awesome. Next, we're going to draw the eyes. We'll do that by using 4 lines. And add thickness, creating the eyelashes. Next, we're going to draw the iris and then the eyebrow. We'll add some wrinkles, Itachi's famous cheeks. And we'll do the same process for the left side, and by using the guidelines we can maintain the right proportions. Next, we are going to draw the nose simply by indicating his nostrils and then 2 lines above. Awesome, and now we can draw the Sharingan. So first we'll draw the pupils. Next, we are going to draw the 3 tomas. As you can see, they create the shape of a triangle with the tip pointing out. We'll add some lines around the pupil. And of course, we'll do the same process for the left side. Awesome. Next, we are going to draw the hair. So first we'll start by drawing the headband. Next, from the center of the head, we'll pull 2 spikes on each side. And then we'll close the frame of his hair. Awesome. Next, I want to draw the cloak a bit bigger, refine it a bit, and of course get rid of all the unnecessary lines. Awesome, now we'll add the details for the cloak. And we'll focus on the headband, adding the metal plaque. And drawing the leaf village symbol. Next, we'll cross it in the middle, and I suggest that you use a white piece of paper and put it underneath your hand just so you won't smear the drawing just like I did. So I'm just gonna go all over the eye again to make it appear darker. And basically we're going to go all over the lines, making it darker, more bold. And once we are done with that, we can move on to the shading. So for the shading, as you can see, I'm using the HB2 pencil. I'm holding the pencil closer to the eraser and just go up and down, adding layers of lead. And of course, I'm shading in the direction of the hair. That way it will appear more 3D other than flat. If you want to get more shade, you can add more layers, or apply a bit more pressure on the pencil and therefore get more contrast. As you can see, if I want to add more lead, I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip and applying more pressure. For the plaque we'll do a bit of a shade because after all it's a metal plaque, so it will be shiny. And of course shading the cloak again, shading in the direction of the cloak, in the direction of the creases. Awesome, next we are going to refine the eyes a bit. And to finish up, we are going to add one more layer to the hair just because I think it should be a bit darker. And we are done, everybody! So this is how you draw Itachi Uchiha by just using an HB2 pencil and a mechanical pencil. I hope you guys and girls enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know how you did in the comment section. How was it? Did you enjoy it? Did you understand the process? Let me know in the comment section. Of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. And you can check out more of my tutorials. I got more than 120 waiting just for you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.